My main YouTube channel bring in about $1,000 a video. At 30,000 subscribers, I started it was when I was only 14 years old, knowing nothing, and now at 16, I turn it into a business. Here, how can do the same with just $20 and a laptop. Step 1. Find something you good at to base your channel around. If you are not good at anything, find something you want to learn and to base your channel around that. For me, it was just making a video game, but I know for the fact that you watch enough YouTube to have some of your own ideas already. Whatever you do, don't make it boring because you want people to actually watch your video. Step 2. Sign in script your first video. You're gone do this right now and not overthink it because the longer you wait, the longer you are not making money, which is what you want to get out of this, right? Just open Google Docs and start writing to your heart content. I mean, you definitely watch a YouTube video before, so just kind of try to draw from past video you see and try to keep some kind of story or flow going throughout just so you can keep the viewer hooked. Honestly, the writing skill that you learn at the school are really helpful for this. So try to pay attention in class if you still a student. Step 3. Get some video editing software. Here your $20 come in handy. If you are a college student, you can get Adobe Creative Cloud for only $20 a month, which includes my video editor of a choice, Adobe Premiere Pro. Otherwise it's a little more expensive, so I guess you need more than $20. But there are always another free video editing alternative. Then you can move on to step 4, which is record your voiceover. If you are feeling frisky and want to go over your 20 budget, then you can go get a mic. Otherwise, honestly, your phone works just fine when you record. Try to find a quiet place so that there's not a ton of the background noise, and whatever you do, just be confident. Pops out your chest and don't talk like you have a gun to your head, because that was I did when I started out. Okay, so change are you click on this video because you want to learn. Then when you are done, you can move on step 5, which is to edit. Now I won't lie to you and say that editing is easy, because it is really not. But just like any skill, the more you do it, the better you are gonna get at it. Just whatever you don't throw away thousands of the dollars of the course like you have the entire internet at your fingertips, and YouTube can teach you more than most of the courses can do. Be the honest. Then when you are done, you can make a thumbnail, which is honestly also really hard, but just like editing, it's gonna get easier the more you keep doing it, so don't get too frustrated. And when that's done, you're ready to publish your first video. After the first video goes out, the cash should just start rolling in like it's really that, except that this is really only the beginning for me. I took about 20 videos and a little over a year before I got monetized. However, this is gone vary a lot for different people. I mean, I know creators that have taken 5, 6, 7, 8 years before they even got a penny from the YouTube. Luckily for you, through which actually is control of how quick it's come if you take the time to keep publishing video and try to learn from every single upload. Then it's gone got a lot faster. It's important to look at your analytics compared to other video and gather feedback from other YouTubers. The next step, which is to network. If you can meet other YouTubers that will grow with you, then you setting yourself up for success. Optime this year through the internet, where it's to a Discord server and a Twitter community. Just whatever you can find to surround yourself with like-minded people is going to be for your. Like I said early, making this connection is really good to help you get feedback on your video.